Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a quick release takedown of the Chiappa Little Badger. Ever since I replaced the factory 3-piece wire stock with a stable, longer 1-piece wire stock with a pistol grip, I haven't been able to fold this and insert it into the factory bag. And the attraction of the Little Badger is its compactness, and that's what I want to get back to. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do not one, but 2 quick releases, okay? And let's begin with the first one. The first one is the quickest release. However, there are some disadvantages. The first thing you do is remove the hinge screw. Okay, this is on the right side. This one is on the left side, and in between is a washer. Remove that. Then go to AliExpress and order a ball lock pin, 8mm in diameter, 20mm long. Okay, when I say 8mm, it's the thickness of the pin. 20mm is from the edge to the ball. The length of the pin is 30mm. Okay, order that. That's about $3 US shipped. Take your badger and crack it open a little bit and simply insert that in like that, all the way, like that, and like this. You can see the ball. There's a little bit of play there. Take around, insert it in, and you're ready to fire. Open her up. Okay. There is one disadvantage. Although it's the quickest, and the disadvantage is when it's closed, I can still feel a bit of wobble. Okay. And so that's going to affect your accuracy. Okay, so this first option is only good for plinking. Okay, where accuracy doesn't count. But look at the advantage of how quick this pin is removed. Crack it open a little bit, put your finger into the ring, and pull it out. Simple as that. Now you can insert it into the bag. Now, let's talk about the second option. The second option, you take the right side of the original hinge screw, put it back into the receiver like this. Put it back. Okay, this time it comes with a tooth washer. Replace that tooth washer with a wave washer. Okay, there's no teeth on this. I find the teeth on that washer, tooth washer, damages the aluminum alloy receiver. So don't use that. Replace it with the wave washer. So take that and put it here like this. Then go to AliExpress, order one of these. Has a knob on it with a screw. The screw is 5mm, and the length of the screw thread is 12mm, and the threading itself is 0.8. Take that and just screw it in. That's it. That's pretty quick. Take a round, insert it in. Now just before you fire, take the knob and turn it clockwise. Once you do that, this is steady. It does not move. It will not affect your accuracy at all. And this is what it looks like. Okay, I find the biggest weakness of the Little Badger is the hinge screw. Every time you crack it open to insert a round, or that becomes loose, and obviously you're not going to have 2 screwdrivers to tighten it up. So this is a very good option. Okay, Now those who has arthritis and find it's hard to turn the knob, and if you don't mind a chrome, you can always get a wing type. Same thing. It's 12 millimeter long, M5, 0.8 threading. Okay, now after you finish firing, crack it open, take the casing out, and you're done firing. Now you just simply unscrew this. Okay. Always put them back together, okay, so you don't lose it, including the washer in between. Now take that, take the original OEM bag, insert the receiver first, this would be better, like that, and put the like that, and there it is, back into its original bag. So there you have it, 2 options of quick release takedown of the Chiappa Little Badger. Thank you very much for joining me. Please hit the like button and subscribe.